Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best everyday carry door opener available, the KeySmart SafeTul. This tool is designed to keep you safe and hygienic while adding a lot of functionality in a small, convenient package. The KeySmart SafeTul is not your ordinary door opener. It's a 4-in-1 multi-tool made from premium brass, which gives it a solid, durable feel while maintaining an elegant appearance with its gold finish. The SafeTul combines 4 essential tools into one compact device: a no-touch door opener, a button pusher, a touchscreen stylus, and a bottle opener. This makes it incredibly versatile and handy for day-to-day use. Measuring just over 3 inches in length, it's designed to fit comfortably on your keychain without being bulky. Weighing around 4 ounces, it strikes a balance between sturdiness and portability, making it easy to carry around without weighing down your keys. One of the standout features is the no-touch door opener function. With public health concerns on the rise, minimizing contact with commonly touched surfaces is crucial. The SafeTul allows you to open doors, pull handles, and operate common fixtures without touching them directly. This helps reduce your exposure to germs and keeps your hands cleaner throughout the day. Next, the button pusher is perfect for pressing elevator buttons, ATM keypads, or any other buttons you encounter. Its design ensures precision and ease of use without needing to use your fingers, further limiting contact with high-touch surfaces. The touchscreen stylus is another clever addition. It's compatible with most touchscreens, so you can use it on your smartphone, tablet, or point-of-sale terminals. This feature enhances the hygienic use of devices when you're on the go. And of course, the SafeTul features a built-in bottle opener, adding a fun and practical element to the tool. Whether you're at a picnic or out with friends, you'll always have a reliable opener on hand. The KeySmart SafeTul is foldable, which means you can keep it compact when it's not in use and quickly unfold it when needed. This design keeps it safe in your pocket or bag, preventing accidental scratches or damage to other items. The build quality is impressive. Brass material ensures durability and a nice heft in your hand, giving it a premium feel compared to plastic alternatives. Plus, the gold finish adds a touch of sophistication. In terms of usability, the SafeTul excels. It's designed ergonomically so you can comfortably grip it while operating doors or buttons. Its size and shape provide the leverage needed to open heavy doors easily without strain. While it doesn't require batteries or any charging, it's always ready when you are, making it a dependable tool to add to your everyday carry collection. This tool comes from KeySmart, a brand known for thoughtful, innovative accessories that blend practicality with style. In conclusion, the KeySmart SafeTul is an excellent multi-purpose tool that combines hygiene, convenience, and functionality in one sleek package. Whether you want to avoid touching public surfaces, need a reliable bottle opener, or want a handy stylus for your devices, this tool has you covered. If you're looking for a smart, durable, and stylish addition to your keychain, the SafeTul is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product insights. See you in the next video.